Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tracy and this is Mungai's Pace. I create educative, inspirational videos with the goal to inspire young people, including myself, to live better. In today's video, we are going to do a wash day for 4C type hair, and we'll also have a recipe at the end of the video, so stick around if you'd like to see all that and more. So for the wash day routine, we are beginning on very dry and brittle 4C hair. So I'm choosing a comb that has sharp edges so that I can divide my hair into 4 sections. That'll make it quite easier for me to shampoo my hair. As we go along, I'd like to share a few facts and bits and pieces of what I've learned through my research about 4C hair so that we can better understand what type of hair we have and how we can take care of it. One thing about 4C hair is that the kinks and coils of 4C curls prevent the distribution of sebum, which is a natural oil produced by your scalp throughout your hair. So this allows our hair to dry out faster than other curl patterns. So what we need to do is that we need to take extra precautions to keep our hair moisturized. At this point, I'm sectioning my hair and using the Tony Iro's Hiiii leave-in treatment. This product, I think, is very good. It can be used on dry hair, thinning hair, colored hair, henna colored hair. It's really good. So I highly recommend this product. I have used it before and I'm now using it as a leave-in treatment before I shampoo my hair. So I'm spraying it on generously until I feel like it's detangling. And then I put that section up in a twist. I do the same with the other sections. And then I put my hair in a shower cap and let that sit for about 20 minutes. After that, my hair already looks so much hydrated and even darker. To shampoo, I'm using the Tony Iro's shampoo for natural hair, and I'm using it for the very first time, still in the sections I had done earlier. Washing your hair in sections is a great way to minimize tangles. Yes, it does take longer, but if it works, then it works. This shampoo is clear. That's new for me. I've not used a clear shampoo before. I'm applying that on the sectioned part and then getting it in all the way to the scalp and then scrubbing gently where I feel itchy. According to lovingkinkycurls.com, 4C hair should be shampooed once or twice a month and co-washed in between. Shampooing is important in maintaining a healthy and clean scalp. However, washing your 4C hair with shampoo too often strips the hair of its natural oils and moisture, which may lead to damage. There's breakage, but minimal. After shampooing each section, I'm rinsing the shampoo off and applying conditioner to detangle. And for some reason, my conditioner has so much foam. Foresee hair especially needs conditioner so it doesn't become dry and then break off. A general rule of thumb for detangling foresee hair is to do it while your hair is soaking wet and covered with conditioner. Let's talk about shrinkage. Shrinkage is the decrease in length from when your natural hair is wet to when it dries. This is completely normal. It's actually a sign of healthy hair. It shows that your hair is properly moisturized and has good elasticity. I love how fresh and bouncy my hair looks after that wash. Most people advise that you dry your hair using a cotton t-shirt, but I'm using a towel for now. I'll leave links to some very helpful websites that you can visit if you'd like to know how to wash and take great care of your foresee hair. So please visit the description box down below in this video. I hope you enjoyed that part of the video and learned something from it. Now, you must be hungry after watching all that hair washing. Here is a recipe for peanut fried rice. Fry a glass of peanuts on your pan. Of course, we won't need all of that, but we can have them for breakfast or as a snack later. Then, boil rice however you like to do it, either rice first, then water, or water first, then rice. After it's cooked, put it aside. Peel the peanuts. Mine are a little burnt, but that's okay. In a pan or cooking pot, fry onions, tomatoes, carrots, or any other additional vegetable of choice in little oil. Add spices and let that cook for a while, and then add in your cold rice and stir. Then sprinkle peanuts on top and serve. A great alternative to peanuts would be cashews. Now enjoy! Thank you for clicking and watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and like it, and I'll see you in my next one.